All parties Hurriyat Conference has urged India to fulfill its promise to the people of occupied Kashmir about granting them the right of self-determination to decide their political future. According to Kashmir Media Service, APSC leaders in their separate statements issued in Srinagar deplored that despite the passing of over 7 decades, the promises made with the Kashmiris remained unfulfilled. A court of the notorious Indian probe agency, National Investigation Agency, has declared Kashmiri hailing from the Pulwama district as a proclaimed offender for challenging New Delhi's illegal hold of its motherland. According to Kashmir Media Service, the NIA court Pulwama declared Ashik Ahmed of the Hanjan Bala in the district a proclaimed offender. National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah has said that the fact that thousands of Kashmiris are in jail rejects the authorities' claims of the peace in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Farooq Abdullah, interacting with the press in Srinagar, said, "If the situation has truly improved as claimed, then why thousands of our children are in the jails?" 2 students from religious seminary died due to suffocation in the Bandipora district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the 2 students from Darul Uloom Faizul Uloom tragically died due to suffocation in the district. IIOJK chapter senior leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, denouncing the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent visit to the occupied Kashmir, termed it as rubbing salt into the wounds of the oppressed Kashmiris. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said occupied Kashmir had been turned into the worst prison for its people.